everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole and I'm just starting out here on YouTube. Today I'm going to do a come shop with me around B&M. B&M is basically a bit like a bargain shop. I'm not actually sure what the B&M actually stands for, but it's along the lines of Home Bargains, Wilko. It's not quite the pound shop, but it's not exactly, if you went to Tesco for cleaning things, it's not going to be as expensive as Tesco's and things like that. Today I just went for a little walk around and picked up some things that I needed. I have got a little bit of a haul. There's just a few little odds and ends that I've picked up. Bearing in mind that I am moving house. I know these for hauls are quite frowned upon sometimes. I'm not buying things just to film, to show YouTube. We are moving house. We're relocating from Chester down to the Cotswolds, and I'm just picking up some cleaning bits. Of course, we need to leave our house, our flat, and I need to give it a good clean, so I've picked up some cleaning products and just some little odds and ends. I hope you like it. So I'm back at home. I've given you a little look around of what B&M consists of, and now I've got everything that I've bought that I want to show you. I'll start with the cleaning products. I don't know if you are familiar with Mrs. Hinch. I love her. When I first started watching her, I wasn't really a fan. I think I just saw her Instagram, and it's all very silver. Like her house is all grey and silver. It's not my kind of thing. And then when I was pregnant and I went into extreme nesting mode, I found her stories, and that is just like the gold mine of cleaning videos. So when I do pass by things that she mentions and she does like them, sometimes I will pick them up. So I have got a few well, I say a few, I've got nearly everything that she buys. So yes, first of all we have this massive tub of Oxy Active Plus by Astonish. Now this is just basically super concentrated fabric stain remover. So it's just like a big white tub, no, it's basically a tub full of powder, and you just put like a little, it comes with a little spoon and you put it in your washing machine. And in the early days when Diddy was born, of course he was having that massive yellow poo explosion, and I actually found that this did work when I put it in, like when I put like his little onesies in to wash. I did put this in and I thought that it did actually work. So they do usually come in little tubs and things like that. This was £2.89 down from something like £5-6 I think. So yes, I was happy to pick that up. Then next up I bought the Harpic bleach. This is the Fresh Mountain Pine. Now I'm not really fussy when it comes to bleach, as long as it just goes around the rim and just sorts it out, cleans it and things like that, I'm happy with it. But Mrs. Hinch does love this stuff, and I think she does like a wipe and pine of her toilets. But this actually does smell amazing. When you put it down the toilet, I can smell it in my living room. Some people might not like that because it is quite like chemical, things like that. But it smells great. So like my bathroom is right by my front door. So as soon as you walk in, you can just smell like a fresh pine scent, and I really like that. Next, I just got some Cif. I love this stuff for cleaning my bathtub. I feel like it just gets all the grime off and things like that. I think this was about £1 something. I really need to get my receipt, sorry. Then next up, Mrs. Hinch, again, also loves this Flash bathroom. Again, this is with Febreze, and this smells amazing. This is just what I go over like the sinks with and the bathtub after I've like sifted it. And it just smells really nice. And as it says, it removes soap scum, and it's got, with the Febreze, it's got a fresh scent and a long-lasting shine. So, but I really do like that. Then next up, I've not actually bought this before, and ooh, it's all sticky. It's called Viacal, and it's a lime scale remover. Now, I've not bought this before. This one is also with Febreze. Can't smell it yet, I've not opened it, but I'm excited to give this a go. She likes this, so I'm going to give that a go. And then next up is also by the brand Astonish. It's a fabric refresher cotton fresh. And I think she puts like her, oh, what's it called? Fabric softener, got there in the end. Yeah, she puts her fabric softener, dilutes it with water, and then she sprays it everywhere. I was a bit concerned of doing that on like my sofa and things like that, so I just wanted this just to make my sofa smell nice and things like that. And when I've got like I've got a heated drying rack, and I just like to spray this over that to make it smell nice, and then it also makes the room and your clothes smell nice, if you know what I mean. That again was around, I think this was £1.99, and so was that, and so was that. Then I got some other little bits and bobs. I got this, what I needed. I needed some foil. I'm always running out of foil. I think that was £1. Then I picked up some of this, the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff. I used to be a makeup artist, and I always used to really rate the Bioderma. This, I actually think this is better. It removes my eye makeup, my foundation, eyeliner, things like that. Really good. I love that stuff. This was actually on sale. I think it was about, in places like Boots, this is around £5, I think, like £4.99, £5.99, I think. And it was like, it had the price next to it, and it was about £2.89, down from like the £4.99 or £5.99. Then I bought this Pure Cleanse Instant Hand Cleanser. Now, I like hand sanitizers, I don't mind them, but I've bought this just to put on my nappy changing unit. Just because sometimes when you're in a rush, if something happens, I don't always get around to washing my hands. I could do, but not straight away. So like, I just find I could get distracted. So like, I'll put him down and then I like to go and wash my hands, but that's not always the case when you have a baby. So, you know, I take him off the changing mat, put him down, and then, you know, my hands will, you know, I'll get distracted by picking something up, and then I end up sitting down. And then it's, you know, it's not very hygienic. So I just thought if I have this next to like the mat, I can just quickly grab it, squirt. So then if I don't get a chance straight away, my hands are clean. So I like that, and that was only 75p. Then I picked up some gripe water. This was £2.99. I think I've seen it more expensive in Boots. And this stuff is, it's basically dill, oh sorry, I'm holding it the wrong way. There we go, that's what it looks like, and I'm sure everyone's really heard of it. It's basically when your baby gets stomach cramps and things like that after they're drinking their formula milk and even breast milk, I think. This just helps them. It's the relief of wind and gripe. So Didier, when we switched him, like I combination feed Didier, and since we put him onto formula, this stuff has really helped. So I was happy that I picked that up. Next was this. This is a blackberry and bay luxury scented candle. Now this is obviously a massive dupe of the Jo Malone candles, and it was £3.99, and you know, I mean, I usually get my candles from TK Maxx, but this is around the same kind of price that you'd pay there. But this actually smells like the Jo Malone perfume, and Blackberry and Bay from Jo Malone is one of my favourite perfumes, and I can't believe how it actually does smell like that. So that's a great dupe, so I was really chuffed with that. And then last of all, I picked up this little fake plant. So this was £2.99, and it's one of those little ones that, oh, so it comes on a little stand, and I just thought it was really quite cute. I love these little planters with the stands, and I thought this would look nice like in the bathroom. We've got a downstairs bathroom now with just like the little a downstairs toilet, I should say. So I can't wait to just decorate that, and I thought that might look quite nice on like a little shelf or something in the bathroom. So yes, I am very happy with my purchases today. So as I said before, there were a few things that I went in purposely to buy. I wanted some solar lamps, a picnic blanket, and some hand towels and some other little odds and ends. And there was also like a really nice little serving dish with bowls on that I wanted. And when I went in to get them, they were all gone. I couldn't find it anywhere. So I would have liked to have had those to show, but unfortunately I don't. That just means it's a good excuse to go back next time. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you did like the video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you do want to see more content from me in the future, I would love it if you could subscribe. It is free, and just press the little red button down below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye bye.